IIM Kolkata and then a multinational company job. Leaving all that, now in the heat, dust and sweat of Bihar politics is Shashank Shekhar. Thanks very much for joining us, Shashank. First of all, tell me, this Gamcha versus this Gamcha, does every party have a Gamcha? Does my Gamcha represent any political party?
Yeah, like unfortunately, the color of the Gamcha has been, like they are trying to own the color, but that's not the case. We use all colors and they all have the same purpose. We use it to wipe our sweat.
I know, it's very useful, but this is the Congress Gamcha that you're wearing.
Yeah.
You know, what is it about Bihar politics that makes you want to be here? Because most people I talk to finish their education, go outside, they're very well settled outside, they come to Bihar for Chhath Puja and then they go back. That's the message I get from most youngsters in Bihar. Why are you back here?
Someone will have to take the step, someone will have to take the plunge to clean it up. So it was my contribution to the society because the society has given us so much. This society has elected Jawaharlal Nehru, who gave me the IIT and which gave me the position I'm in right now. So it's my turn to give back to the society and that's the reason.
What's the difference between, let's say, an election in the south of India, if you've observed it, to Bihar? Some say that there's so much money that's spent there. Is it about money being spent in Bihar elections? Is it about caste? What's the defining feature of an election in Bihar?
So the money factor is very state-specific and situation-specific. In South, you will see constituencies where the spending goes upwards of 50 CR, even in assembly elections.
Yes.
But especially in our constituency, we are hardly spending any money. And the prime reason for that is the anti-incumbency which is there against BJP in my constituency.
Now you're making a political statement out of this money thing, but do Bihar politicians really have to spend money in an election, or is it more on driven lines that have pre-existing lines that exist?
It's mostly on the pre-existing lines, and I'm not making any political statement right now. It's purely the anger which is there on the ground is helping us. It's not about money, at least in my constituency.
What is aspire to be like, have some MNCs? It seems to have the roads, but does it have the talent pool? You're an IIT, IIM graduate. There are so many of you who are bureaucrats. How long will it take for Bihar to actually be that aspirational Bihar? Is it even work in progress at the moment?
So, the Bihar politics has been driven by caste for a couple of decades now. Now that transformation has reached to a point where it will shift to issues. And you will see that happening because even after giving the lucrative DBT by the NDA government, the youth of the state, the women of the state are asking for more. And more in terms of jobs, more in terms of security, more in terms of education, more in terms of civic infrastructure. So that demand to be equal to the other part of the country has started to come out even in the lowest strata.
Do you know the IT minister of Bihar, for instance?
Some Mantu ji is the IT minister, I think.
Some Mantu ji, you're saying, huh?
Because it's really shameful to see him as the IT minister of our state. A guy who is 10th pass, who doesn't know difference between IT industry and a poster of cybercrime. So one interview I saw of him a couple of months back where a reporter was asking him about what Bihar is doing to expand the IT base of Bihar, to which he replied कि हम तो बैनर लगवा रहे हैं ताकि साइबर फ्रॉड ना हो हमारे गाँव में. So he has zero clue of what he is handling, yet he is the IT minister of Bihar.
That defines this Bihar elections that you'd like to sing for us. Are you a singer?
So I'll tell you, Bihar is a land of several languages. The area you are standing in, we speak mostly Maghi.
Is there a Maghi song?
No Maghi song.
What's the lyrics for it?
कि इस बार पंजे पे ही बटन दबाना है.
No, why don't you sing it for me? Why don't you all sing it for me?
It's a very new song. And I'll share you the lyrics.
You can't sing? You're not a singer?
No, I'm not a singer. I'm a bathroom singer.
You're a bathroom singer,
Yeah.
Okay.